Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You open your image and immediately duplicate the background. You work non-destructively so you can always revert. Once duplicated, convert that copy to a smart object so filters remain editable. Next, add a hue/saturation adjustment layer. This is your primary control for hue shifts. You use the adjustment layer rather than direct image edits because it preserves originals and lets you mask changes. From here, make sure the adjustment layer is selected and prepare to move the hue slider. You drag the hue slider slowly and watch the image. Small moves often produce cleaner results, and you can catch banding early. Once you have a rough shift, switch to the targeted adjustment tool and click-drag on problem colors to refine exactly which hues are remapped. If only part of the image needs change, invert the adjustment mask and paint white where the shift should apply. Make sure to also tweak saturation and lightness to keep tones natural after the hue shift. You finish by blending the adjustment so the new hue feels integrated. Try overlay or color blend modes, or simply lower the adjustment layer opacity. Once the overall hue looks right, add a selective color or curves layer to fix any remaining color casts or contrast shifts. Save a PSD with all layers and export a flattened copy for delivery. If colors look posterized or banded, make sure the image is 8 or 16-bit and apply a tiny amount of noise or use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.